Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the lesson number 7, Experiments with Water. See, we know that many things will float on water and many things maybe sinks. What is the reason for that? Today we are going to see in this lesson. See, Aisha is a girl. She is waiting for dinner. What she is thinking? Today Ammi is going to prepare our favorite food, that is puri and spicy potatoes. And for us also many of them like puri, no? Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. What happens? First puri sunk to the bottom, then again it rises up. That is puffing up. It will be looking very nicey. One puri did not puff off. Why did not float like the others? Like that she's thinking. On seeing this, what she done means, she took the dough and rolled it like a ball. She flattened it and put in a bowl of water. But what happens? It sank to the bottom and stayed there itself. In the evening, what Aisha is doing means she went for a bath. That time, she just come out when her mother called Aisha like that. Our mothers also will shout, no, if you are taking more time to take bath. Like that, Aisha's mother also shouting, come like that. You have dropped the soap in the water. Take it out and put in the soap case. Like that, mother is saying to Aisha. She was in a hurry and the soap case fell out from her hands. It started floating on water. So she's thinking, first time we dropped the soap alone, it was sunk into the bottom of the water, but in the soap case is this floating? What is the reason? Like that she's thinking. Have you seen that something float on water while others sing? Yes, this happens. So they are explaining in the poem related to this. See, look out here. A wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink. Why does this happen? Let me think. An iron ship will also float, though it's much heavier than my boat. Iron ship is very heavier than the boat, but it is also floating. What is the reason? But a needle is very light as a leaf and thin as a pin. But it is going down, that is bottom of the water. Why does this happen? Let me think. Like that, one poem is arising here. Yes, why the wooden boat is floating? Because its density is more than water. If a density is more than water, it just not floats, it sank, that is it sinks at the bottom. If its density is less than water, it just floats. Next, we can do this experiment in group of 4 friends. Each group what they need means they need a big pot filled with water and the things we will list in the table. Put each thing one by one in water and observe. Write your observation in the table given on the next page. Look at the table here. Many of the things they have given. For example, first empty bowl. If you are inserting in the water, what happens? It just float or sink. Iron nail or pin. Next one, matchstick. Empty plastic bottle with its lid closed. Bottle half filled with water. Bottle full of water. So many of the things they have given. You can do the experiment with this and you can fill this tabular column. Which one? You may be first guessing that it may be float or it sinks. But what happens at the last? Your observation have to write in. When Aisha woke up in the morning, her mother Ammi had a fever. So Abi made some tea and went to give medicines to Ammi, and he was saying to Aisha, you just boil some eggs. Also put some salt in the water. What Aisha is doing, she took more salt and put in the water and she boiled. So the egg at the bottom of the pot come up at a little and start to float in the water. Same wise, take some water in a glass and put a lemon in it. See in the picture you can able to see, no, she has added some lemon. So what happens means, now keep putting salt in the water, half a spoon. When the lemon float. Up to that you just add the salt. From this we come to know that in the salty water the lemon floats. Same wise in oceans and seas also there is a more salty water. Saltiest of all is at Dead Sea. We will say how salty. You imagine that 300 grams of salt if present in 1 liter of water means even the person can able to float on the water, they are saying. Okay, and you can do this experiment with other things also. On one Sunday what happens means Aisha's cousin brother, his name is Hamid, he is coming to her house to play. As soon as he came, he was asking to his aunt to make his favorite sweet dish. And his Aisha mother also saying, let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you. Why don't you help me? Like that she's asking. He's also saying, yes, definitely I will help you. Then you take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it, mix it till it dissolves. Hamid thought, yes, this is a very easy work, I can finish it fast and then I will watch TV. Like that he is thinking, but it is not an easy work, it takes so much of time to dissolve it. Same wise, last time we have done some experiments, same you can do this experiment also. Make group of 4 friends. For the experiment what you need means 4 to 5 glasses or bowls, then spoons, water, and the things are listed here. What you have to do, take some water in each glass. Now try to dissolve one thing in one glass, observe what happens and note in the table. See, first you dissolve the salt, did it dissolve or not, then what happened after keeping for 2 minutes, that also you have to write. Then soil, then chalk powder, 1 spoon milk, oil, all this you can do the experiment. While doing this experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. What argument means? Aisha felt that after stirring it, oil will dissolve in water, but Hamid did not agree. What Aisha is saying means after adding oil, after sometimes it will dissolve, like that she is saying when it is added in water. But Hamid is saying, no, I will not agree, like that. He is replying. He said, look, the tiny oil drops can still be seen in the water, like that he is saying. Aisha said, let's wait for some time and then see. Do you think the oil got dissolved in the water? Why do you think so? Yes, you can do this experiment. See, Aisha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. She is doing the experiment with oil, sugar solution and water. And which one comes first, which one comes at the last, we are going to see. This is based on the viscosity only, it drops down. As oil is very lighter than water, so water has the low viscosity. So first water only drops, then afterwards oil has very fast viscosity, so it drops down very slowly. That is, oil is second, sugar is very slow then compared to water and oil, so sugar is third. If there is low viscosity means it easily falls down. If it is high viscosity means it takes a motion very slow. Then one day Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forget about it. Sometimes we will also do this. We will keep something on the stove, we or our mother. Then she will be maybe forgotten. When she remembered and came to check, she found very little water only left in the pan. Then where did the water goes? It went as a vapor. At the last, they have given about the Dandi March. This incident when took place means in 1930, before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. Because of that, they had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody can live without salt? Gandhiji said, how can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra from Ahmedabad to the Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? Yes, the seawater is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Then water is allowed to dry in the sand. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. So salt is needy for everyone. Gandhiji has made a law and made it easy for us to get the salt. Okay students, related to this lesson I will given you the link for the Google form test. Attend the test well. All the best for you. We will meet in the next class.